Governor Francis Nwefiru of Ebonyi State have announced a salary increment of 500,000 naira for the newly employed medical doctors.
You increase the salary of the newly specify the English. Also the newly employed doctors. So what is the salary of the pending doctors? Next coming governor, can he sustain the 500,000 for each newly doctor? Okay. This new doctor you have employed and you are saying 500,000, will that sort them from Japan? Does the new one experience matches the old one experience? Okay.
When you find the one that is there, any 150,000, then you bring fresh one that use ChatGPT to go to school. Now you give him 500,000. Then you put your life in that person's hand. Are we not in trouble? Life expectancy will go down.
But we did a big talk. We don't increase salary from 150 to 500. It's a big. Yes. How long we go do them?
Chook mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.